Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, God, blessed love. So welcome. You know, so we here back in Churchtown. You know, so today we're doing some cleaning up. You know, as you know, for the health fair that's gonna take place here. You know, on the 21st with the nurse team from the Sunrise team. You know, so we're here with some of the team members. You know, doing some cleaning up. You know, getting the place light and everything. You know, because this place has been locked up. You know, it's been used by church also. You know, but there's a lot of work still to get done. So we're here to put in some work. So you know it's the 21st, which is Friday. You know, so if you're watching and you're close to Trenchtown or anywhere you are, you want to come get a free health checkup, you know, dental checkup and everything, you can come here on Friday. You know, you can come here on Friday, come get your check. Hold on. Yeah, you can come here to come get your checks and everything Friday. So now I'm say the work needs to get done how we're doing it. So we're gonna show you guys what's going on and everything. You know, so the nurse will be here. So the 21st will be the for the health checkup and everything, and the 22nd now is when we're gonna go to the Golden Age, you know, the elderly home, and they're gonna get checks as well by the nurses also. You know, so this is where everything is taking place. So I'm here, I'm back on it already. So as I say, guys, we're here to GoFundMe. We want to get some donation, you know, so we can get some groceries and get some stuff, you know, to help out the situation that's taking place down by in Westmoreland, Leaston, Springside, you know. So anything you can give, you know, just check the description, you know, for the GoFundMe. You can WhatsApp me any way you want to donate. You know, we have Zelle, Cash App, Western Union, MoneyGram. So any way you want, you know, any way you can to donate, we really appreciate it. We thank you so much, you know, for the love and support. You know, guys, I'm gonna say Jamaica need the help, you know, the help is needed, you know, so anything you can give, we appreciate it, you know, so we thank you so much. So first, we have to get this health fair out the way, then we can head down to them side to give a helping hand. But this is the main thing right now, because this was on the agenda before anything else, you know, so this is what we have to get done today. Hello. Morning. Squeeze, yeah. Okay. Squeeze this. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, as you can see, the preparation starts and everything. So we're cleaning up, we're making space and everything. So this is one set of room. Alright, so over here is where we the nurse and they used the last time. So there's some cleaning out taking place in here. So as you can see, this is what the thing up. Run something into yourself. Esther, that color you have, half white or bone white? This? A bone white is right?
Yeah, next to cream, but a bone white.
Bone white.
Yeah, the white and the white.
No, look, you can't buy one.
A lotion, if a lotion, you can wipe off, you know. alone she just get each one and wipe, but if I water you can't wipe it. Shara, come here.
Come Shara, come help me.
I'm using white my wall.
We should have buy a map. Over here, so look back.
You say me a map? Me a new map, you know? But I can't move.
I just want to go feed.
I know she in this man.
No, she.
Yeah. Can't wipe.
I just want to drive, go feed.
Where one? Bleach in there?
No.
In the bleach? Oh, in my bleach.
Try it and see.
No,
Try a dirt part.
Yeah.
No, man. This is the dirt part right there.
That's a rough.
No.
No.
Eh? Yeah.
Oh, it's rough.
We're going to buy one tin.
This can wipe off.
Yeah, it's rough too.
We're going to buy one tin. Because one thing you do, just get one coat. Easy me around the same thing over the ceiling. Over here, it's not so bad. Over here, so can wipe off.
Sorry, they have drip.
I'm going to perfect now,
Sorry, they have drip. And this is what they drip in there down. Yeah, the two. Yeah.
Some curtain there, I'm lucky to.
Tape it.
I go buy the paint, man, I was going to quick paint over there.
Yeah.
One coat.
Yeah, one.
And just get the ceiling at one coat. Yeah. One coat. Don't prefer. I'm going to sell the bone white.
We have to go straight for
Yeah, let's dig it out. First. If you go sell the...
So 30. I can't say wait.
Yeah.
We just stay with that side because we have still have to go.
Over here, that's a side that can wipe off. That's all good.
Yeah, man, you see the notion come. I don't remember.
Baja, call. Yeah, the phone call Baja and say if you can pass through. See if you can come look on this left. Call Baja.
I want to know, because the page is in the bone white already. Yeah. Alright, yeah.
What them say?
She said she gonna look, if she don't have it a page shop, she gonna know. So tell us by carry.
Alright.
Hello?
They get the bleach?
I've been
Our Jackson gone for the bleach?
Yeah. We're still going to
Bleach that better 30 grand. The red one wet some more than 2 dry. So too.
You don't ring it out.
Don't ring it out. And the water run off high. Yeah, you know, cobweb down.
This is about dirt, dust and everything.
Yeah, Rasta man, but the bike from you know. I would have mastered my car, put on man.
Master up there, sir. Look better. Look for same place up there, sir. Yeah, man, the tail is something.
Another promo on it there?
Yeah, no, in another room.
Outside, on the buckle box there, sir.
In our box. But they reach out to the tank right out of our feet, yeah. That's how I need to look. Yeah, they start running,
So that run away at church from. That church from come that way.
Yeah, man, I know that. That's all there's something I must get rid of. I know I get you know?
Sempre via fuori. Non è su come la sai. Su come la sai. Non si può.
What would I really think I'm prefect?
Jones, just Jones.
Alright guys, yeah.
Try to get that clean.
Wash out and things. So guys, so this is the preparation here. As you can see today we have on the ground, we have prefect here. You know, as usual we have 30 grand here. And we have my cousin over here, Shara. She's shy, you know.
The queen.
Shara.
The queen shy, you know?
Yeah?
You mass up Shara, man.
Shara, you mass up.
The queen shy, man.
Shara, look now, man.
Come at the same time, giant down, see it? Yeah, man.
Alright. Okay. And we have our chef here.
Yeah, man.
In the building. Yeah.
That's the part where we get the place clean up and we're done at 18.
Yeah. The guy that said Shara. That's my cousin there. That's Mother Teresa's daughter. But she's shy. And mass. Rasta Jacks here.
Yeah, man.
Every time family, you know, we have to put out the rest, you know.
It's true.
One dream team, extended family, more than love, you know.
Yeah.
More than love, you know.
Cheering for the nurses
KINO's
there.
there, the dream team there.
Why?
We are one family. Yeah. Together we stand, no? Divided we are far. Yeah, so more than love, you know. Every time.
And we have Jenna there as well too.
One there, you know.
Yeah.
They are going to put in the work. Cool, man.
Oh, we have Esther over here bombing bag.
I'm calling out the road.
Welcome back, KINO. Welcome back.
Yeah. Back to I'm have next shy cousin here.
Not from there.
Like shy cousin there, right there.
Yeah, but 6 by center.
I want what
Yeah,
check.
found. Yeah, man, you see it. It's a 40 genius player, man. You see it? Just get a one call, so I have to deal. Yo, I'm so far out there. So I say, holy for blessing and love, you know? Man.
And Pablo said him blessings, you know.
Yeah, man, I see him, man. I said last time I chat to Pablo, I said, John, hold it down, you know? I said, Pablo, that, you know? Yeah, man, done the bodies from 1998, you know? You see me, I said, yeah, man. I have to tell him, say, you see me? Holy for blessing, man, boss, man. Love, you know? Yeah, man. I hold it, man.
I hold it by years.
Hold it for years.
Hold it by years, you know. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm showing now. So over here would be in this empty space here where you can see. This would be the waiting area, you know, but we're gonna have like tent cover over as well too, you know, for the waiting area, you know, and as I say, we have this building here that was working on right now, cleaning up the building. And we have this building that we're cleaning, so we'll take out the stuff them, you know, we'll start cleaning now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna paint the wall and the ceiling, you know, so it's freshen up and everything, you know, because this is where our Pat was the last time. Pat It's strong main, so it's 2 separate rooms. So we're gonna paint the rooms and the ceiling, you know, so it stay fresh and ready for when them come, you know, and have everything prepared and ready, you know. So as I say, guys, it's a blessings, you know. It's really a blessings, you know, for everything that's going on. As you can see how the place is, so it's really a blessing, guys. So trust me, the work here, because this place been literally just locked up, you know, closed up. You know, it's only sometimes the church people that use it. Well, they're the one that use it, but not in these rooms. You know, like inside the yard space they literally use. This is a big yard space, the center right here. You know, so this is the center. So yeah, man, we have to just utilize and make use of the place. So in here is a big waiting area, as you can see. There's nothing on top, you know, so we have to just literally put a tent over there, you know, for the time being.
And she wants something I go tell you, you know.
Shy.
You know, and she had that and said you too.
Shy. So, yes, guys, so I'm telling you, you see, my trip in Canada was wonderful, you know, and thank you to everyone over there that showed the love. You know, the love was real, and I have to say your blessings to Auntie. You know, so Auntie Elaine, thank you so much for the love. You know, trust me, that love, hey, definitely coming back. You know, definitely coming back. So in America, you know, big up our love. You know, because our love, the one that hosts me as well when I was in America. So big up our love. You know, some places the love with our love show me, see me. I will say our love. As it means love, you know, love and love alone. So big up yourself, our love, for showing me the love straight while I was there, you know, and whenever I'm in Florida, I have to big up the nurses, they have to big up my mommy over there, Miss Charmaine, you know, because you know me have more than one mom, you know. Fortunate, I have more than one mother. So big up Mommy Charmaine, you know, and also big up Pat as well too, for always being there, you know, helping me out same way, you know, whenever bringing me around, anything at all, you know. So big up Pat and big up Mommy Charmaine and all the nurses there. And when I'm in Canada, I have to big up Auntie Elaine. Thank you so much for the love, Auntie. Trust me, hey guys, I'm telling you, when it's breakfast, hey, Auntie spoil me. When it's lunch, I'm spoiled. When it's dinner, I'm spoiled. There is so much food. Healthy, because Auntie eat healthy as well. She's very healthy eating, you know what I'm telling you. And she's a big chef. No, I would say cook. Big cook. Auntie can cook. When she cook, you have to I would say, no, sir. Hey, I also big up Martin as well too. Martin, big up yourself, Martin and Deborah. And big up all the extended family, you know, all my viewers that are from Canada, and big up for yourself. You know, we thank you so much for the love and the support that you guys pour out. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone. You know what I'm saying? Hey, trust me, Canada coming soon back. America soon, you know. So yes, guys, I find my homes, you know, Florida, Canada, and New York. You know, England already is my home, see me, because that's where my biological mom is and my dad, you know, and my sister, my brother. You know the thing goes. But meanwhile, we're here in Jamaica doing the right thing. So guys, remember, as I say, I want to give some helping hand, you know, down by in Westmoreland, you know. So, you know, everywhere, you know, family is priority, you know, and I got some family that lose a lot of stuff, you know, in the community, and the community itself is suffering, you know, because of the need aid, you know. So that's where I'm literally going right through, you know. So I want to go and give her strength as well to, you know, I already spoke with Baja as well to that. I really need to go and give them a strength, you know, because strength need it down here, you know, because, you know, it's family. You see him here? Alright guys, so as you see, We have to clean down the walls, you know, get the place a terror, wash out, you know, wash out the whole place, wash down the walls, you know, use all disinfectant, all of that, you know, to scrub on the wall because, you know, it's hygiene, you know, so make sure that everything is spick and span. As you can see what's taking place right now, the team is here pushing out the work same way, you know, getting this thing on the road. So, on the wall. If you see the state of this earlier, and you want to see, no, where Dream Team really make it work, you know. Dream Team really make it work.
We can
Make it work, yeah.
We can make it work.
Make it work.
Come on, please, man. We can make it work.
Can make it
work.
Can make
Turn out it though. I said, KINO make it work.
work, work.
Asharo make it work.
Work, work.
I Toti make it work.
Work, work.
I Harlem make it work.
Work, work.
I Jackson make it work.
Work, work.
We
Can make it work.
come on, man.
Can make it work.
On top again, man.
So we tell them we can make it work. Mind the card.
We can make it work. What's that again, huh?
Hey, Jackson make it work.
Work, work.
Toti make it work.
Work, work.
Prefect make it work.
Work, work.
Sarah make it work.
Work, work.
Worship in the kitchen cooking. Chicken make it work. Work, work. We
Come on, let me hear.
hey, can make it work.
Come on, touch me
Wait,
here. We
I
can make it work. What's that again?
the rum. Shy Ara. So she named Shy Ara. Yeah. Hello, Shy Ara. She's very shy.
You know, this is shy Arab.
Yeah, this is
beautiful.
yeah.
God built on this land where, you know,
Yeah.
live in our community. So nice and so pleasant.
Yeah.
As a young miss, just for people.
Yeah.
We have good people here. Yeah.
Her name is Shara, but we call her Shy Ara. Shy, I know we always find name.
Yeah.
She named Shy Arwa. You know? Oh, so the waterman there. I will see her throw water like place a bun down. I see her throw water like place a bun down. You see the one that throw water like oh, sir. So I see man throw water like house of burning. You want a mask? Want a mask or yes? Yes. Don't wash out in the yet, you know. See when it. No, don't wash out in the yet when it rad. You have mask? Oh, you have mask already. No. No. Now put this paper.
Only like 1 second.
Dread work is on.
they put me in mind and they drop off, they just see back this spot.
Yeah.
Skill part. Got a skill part.
Yeah, you can see if they put me in back, man. Drop off, and the pay if the drop off and spot the same spot. Whoa, where you get mask now?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm carrying on the time and spot mask now.
Damas. Yeah. Alright guys, so this room is alright. You know, so let's gonna rub some coolant in the ceiling, freshen up over there. Yeah, and we're good to go. And we go and see. We have Orius and we have Gio here giving us strength as well to,
Yes.
you know, making it work.
Let's be about
Driver. Let me say you don't know, say everyone is born in the community, so everyone always give us strength to make sure that you know, like something good, you know, so they support the cause that's really good, so you know, we have to always give thanks, you know, whenever anyone comes that come out to give a healthy man, you know, because they're needed, so this is something good for the community as well, you know, and also the nurse that was thinking about it, they could literally head down into the places that damaged by hurricane, so they could give some assistance as well to aid, you know, with the place that been destroyed, you know, the place. Oh, go on. Hey, the drop? Oh,
it's dropping.
Oh, that can drop. I'm glad you drop. I'm glad you drop. Yes, guys, sorry about that. I was going to say that the nurses then, so they probably want to head down into the areas that have been affected by the hurricane, you know, and give some people some checks and see what's necessary they're going to need. If they're going to need any type of medication or anything they could give, you know, to give some helping hand, because you know it's not only house that's been damaged, you know, people mental and people pressure and people stress right now, you know, going through the stage. You know, for them to visit hospital, the hospital is damaged, you know, most places cannot damage them side, so we're going to try and see if we can head to them side to give some assistance in anything we can give, you know, also, because the help is needed. So, and then, as I said guys, after, you know, our focus is going to be like giving some aid to the people them in Westmoreland and the countryside, like anywhere that's been damaged, you know, so anywhere you guys want us to go, you just say it and we just go there and give some assistance also, you know, because it's needed, you know. So we've been here on it from morning and everything. So, and another thing, I know most of you viewers like been on this program from Ginger days, from a start doing this charity program, and you see a lot of faces come and a lot go, and a lot always come and a lot go, you know. So this is what it's like sometimes when you're doing a program like this, especially in the inner city, you know. You know what I'm saying? People, you know, sometimes that everyone that you start out with, they're gonna literally end out with. So the journey always going to carry on. Sometimes it's not who you see fit is going to really literally be there, but we always appreciate, you know. So sometimes when you don't see someone, everyone have a reasons and everything. So we always try to keep the focus and keep positive on the journey, you know, because we all have a purpose. And if this is a purpose for everyone can show what their true duty and purpose doing, you know, we give thanks, you know, we're not turning back anyone at all. You know, but just come with a clean heart, you know, with a positive mind, nothing negative, because we don't need that around here, you know. So I don't try to entertain the negativity at all. We try to just move on. Because if you notice, I don't bring those stuff to the program. I don't care, because I'm not looking for views for negative. I just continue to do what I got to do, you know, because I do the right thing. So that is the way forward. And that's how we're going to literally be moving forward, you know, anytime we're on this programming. So, yeah. So yeah, it's not the first. You probably see Orius as well too. He might always come and give some helping hand whenever I can, you know, because I'm on that work as well too. So we always appreciate the work, you know, especially he's very handy. He's an electrician as well too. Yeah, so we give thanks, you know. We give thanks every time for the support, you know.
I must say I got through there with the goals to come and say no man, sit around.
Want some sugar?
Yeah, man, it there, man. But you have to mix it out through the thick kind of tin. You have to make sure you mix them out for everybody. See?
Get a cup.
I get a blend, man.
So guys, here's the paint.
Oh no.
You know, so I know it look like smoothie or some type of milk malt, but it's not. It is the paint.
It look like, you know, eggnog.
Eggnog.
Yeah.
But, you know, eggnog.
So this is bone white. That's the color. It's called bone white. Never do about that. About oh, that's good, man.
No, I'm just a touch out the car.
Spot them.
Because I'm not done this.
Oh.
But I have a comment, so I just cut it. Come in, night I come in. See something.
Well, boy,
when you move and this, you can go outside and do one thing.
yeah. Where the boy there? 39. Boy number 9. You may switch on back the switch?
And we are starting on.
Yeah.
We are starting to switch on. Switch on back on. Switch on.
Oh, that one. Yeah. Right, come on in there, sir, man. You bring the boy over yesterday.
At your face.
Now one. Was enough for today. So tomorrow now we're gonna come and finish off Yeah, so tomorrow we'll come and finish off the rest. You know, because trust me, there was a lot of work taking place up today. One whole heap of work, you know, so we're gonna close off the night tonight. And then tomorrow we're gonna finish off the rest. And then we get everything organized. Now I call him, man, come deal with him. So. Well. Blessed love. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to KINO Live in Jamaica. You know the thing goes. So blessed love, guys. So it's nothing but love. So back here in Trenchtown, you know the thing goes. So we're still it's the next day of preparing, you know, for the end fair, which is Friday, you know, here at the center in Trenchtown, 6th Street. You know, so you know I got some goodies as well too that I brought. You know, I got some herbs aisle, you know, Jamaican herbs aisle. You know, so there's a Jamaican herbs aisle. You know, there's a store in Brampton. You know, let me give you the contact number for that place. So they do liver detox. You know, they do colon cleanse, they do black seed oil, they have everything. So circulation, they do everything. You know, her name is Karen, so big up yourself, Karen. And Karen gave us some oil, you know, for the members then. So these oils, let me tell you, so we have different type of oils. So this one is the scalp hair growth tonic, you know, for the ladies then in the gym team as well too. So we want to thank Karen for that. And the contact number, you can reach her. You also get free delivery if you also want to purchase any of these oils, you know, but you can call to get more information. So the contact number is 905-796-6811. You know, you can call Karen. So she's located in Brampton, Canada, you know. So call her, get more information. So I got some oils. I'm going to give to the members then. You know, they got their name on them as well too. You know, so you are going. So there. Boom, come here, boom. So we have boom. See this is our aisle, tonic aisle. You know, from Karen. This one so this is a beard aisle. So we'll call her and ask her how to use that one. You know. Esther, come here. So, Esther can tell them more about these as well too. Oh, so there's a card in it as well too for you. So, yeah, she writes something in it special for you. It says from Karen from Brampton. So,
Karen from Brampton, blessed and one loving and thanks.
Yeah. Esther, do them aisle there? Sure. Do them aisle there?
Beard.
So Esther, here's one for your bag for you as well too. From Karen from Brampton.
Thanks, Karen from Brampton. I really appreciate it. I made a good Lord bless and keep me.
So your aisle, what kind of aisle? Mustard.
Ear grow.
Oh, ear grow.
Yeah.
So Esther get the ear grow. Whoa! Come here, whoa. We have wow chef. So ear grow tonic. So
I'm here. Can I cut my ear back now?
Yeah. Boy, grow back quick though.
Back quick. I'm going to cut it back.
Yeah, that again, Esther.
On the same thing wow chef have in there. Wow chef.
Yeah, man.
You have a bag in there as well. Something in there for you from Karen from Brampton.
Karen from Brampton. Yeah, the blue one, this look like, you know.
A beard eye.
The beard.
I have beard emote that I We have a call and find Esther.
Yeah?
I'll call her if I beard her ear too.
No, beard.
I just beard.
Thank you very much for the aisle, you know. Anytime I want a good shape now, I just rub it on my beard, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see it? Yeah, man. Smell like olive oil. Yeah.
I don't know, I'm going to make it too.
olive oil, smell like olive oil, you know, right now, look like olive oil, you know, so. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Blessed Lord, you know.
30 grand. Come. But 30 grand on a beard.
No, not a beard.
Baby, come for this. For your skin as well, though.
Current from Brampton, man. Give thanks and much blessings, man. You see me, I say, yeah man, I appreciate it much, man. You see me, I say, respect and thanks.
Look out you're an hour. I same thing, beard eye.
Yeah, right.
Yes, that's good. So from Karen as well to for you. Scalp hair grow, yeah.
Karen,
From
bless up
Brampton.
yourself, from Brampton. The food basket never empty. Big up all the dream team,
Yeah.
extended family, one love.
Rasta Jackson. Yeah. Jackson. Rasta Jackson have the most beard.
KINO, you know, say that easy, Jesus.
I have the most beard.
It's not easy, you know. No, Jesus,
From
what
Karen.
you do that, Jesus?
Yeah, from Karen.
And Karen? Now, we are Karen.
Karen in Brampton, bigger up.
Brampton.
Yeah.
Eh? More than love you, Karen, every time. Huh? Love
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
thanks and praise time. Love you every time. One team, we say Karen. Dream team. Yeah, more than love, you know, all the extended family. You know, we're the only movie, man. You know, already, you know, we're the only movie. You just know what Karen, man. Yeah, man.
Alright. Esther. Hey. So guys, so we have a bag here. We have also give thanks to Auntie. Can everybody get something now? Get card.
Let's show my own.
Okay. Yeah. So get a perfume for you from Aunt Elaine.
I spoke to on the phone.
Yeah. This is Aunt Elaine.
Thank you, Aunt Elaine. I spoke with you while KINO was there. So I appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Alright. So you can put it in the bag. I saw you want to have some Canadian for you. You see the name there, Mr. Oh, Barney. Barney. Come here then. Pablo send something for you. So hold up the locks.
Yeah?
So if you use on beard, must can use for your ear. Yeah. Listen, man, it must can use in your ear too. Yeah. Yeah. That probably can use as well too. So Barney, Pablo say now 100 Canadian, 50 for you and 50 for Sammy. How with Sammy? Sammy yourself? Oh. That's why I'm asking for Sammy will live right over there.
I'm judging like that tomorrow.
Okay. So this is for you, 50 for you from Pablo.
But Sammy are there now.
Alright.
Respecting of Pablo. I don't know everything up and running, see me, and I don't know for it. No, me call you, make you know where I go and say, I receive it and things.
Yeah.
All this talk like that. I will keep Sammy one dream.
So you're Sammy one as well too?
Okay, alright.
So you can give Sammy?
Yeah man, Pablo, I receive Sammy one too. I mean, just give him and make him shout you. I when me shout, me shout him and make him talk. You talk with him, Pablo.
Alright.
Big up yourself in the KINO.
Alright, big up.
Respect.
Alright, so we have some Canadian food, Esther, Rasta Jackson, and Wow Chef, and Boom. Yeah. Hold on. Come in, Jackson. Jackson, we have 20 Canadian here for you from Enorita.
Enorita from Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, more love, man. Give thanks and praise. Thanks, baby. Love you every time, no? One team, dream team, no? Yeah, give up yourself every time. More than love you.
Yeah. Come, 30 grand. 30 grand. 20 Canadian here for you from Enorita.
Yeah, man, Enarita, man, I appreciate this 20 Canadian very much, man. You see me, I say, I give thanks to KINO, man, because if I wasn't for KINO, you see me, I say, yeah, man, this wouldn't happen. You see me, I say, so Enrique, yeah, man, much blessings and thanks, man. You see me, I say, dream team, one team.
Alright, boom, come through. Enarita, so we have 20 Canadian here for you from Enarita.
Enarita, thanks you and blessed and one love. First more like Canadian money, you want more. Blessed and one love, thanks.
Whoa, come here, whoa. So now spend Canada, so same have a New York, you know, but he's spending Canada.
You know?
That is Canadian, 20 Canadian. Whoa. Enarita.
Enarita. Come like Mama Sita, you know, holy for blessing and love, you know. You see me, I say Enarita. Thank you very much, you know.
You say who the upon it? That's the queen.
The upon it, you know. Enarita, you're the queen for Canada. Yeah. Enough respect, enough love.
Esther.
Blessed and love Enarita.
Yeah. Alright, we have one for Esther as well, to the queen is representing. Esther is 20 for you from Enarita from Canada.
From Cuba.
Yes, from Cuba.
Thanks, Enarita from Canada. I really appreciate it. May the good Lord bless and keep you.
Alright, so give thanks, Enarita. You know, thank you so much. You know, thank you so much, Enarita, for the donation and also Auntie. Alright. Alright. Whoa, come here. So guys, so here, so we have some t-shirt here as well too from Aunt Elaine. So we have some more stuff here from Aunt Elaine. You know, I'm gonna say, guys, I'm gonna tell you, if I big up Aunt Elaine, because Aunt Elaine, well, she spoil me, guys.
Yeah, man, Aunt Elaine.
Say me eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And one time I'm getting my meals, the table is full.
Yeah, man,
I'm like, I never eat so much in my life at one time, each time. Breakfast, there's too much. You know, lunch, there's so much.
Yes, man.
Dinner is everywhere, very much. You know,
yes,
Auntie,
man.
and she's bad in the kitchen. Auntie, we can't wait for you to come and meet the team. You know, thank you so much, Aunt Elaine. You know, thank you so much, you know, for having me as well. So we have some t-shirts here, you know, which is shows for you as well too. We have some t-shirts. Well, Prefect is not here. Because remember, you know, you are man, you represent Chelsea, right?
Yeah, man. Aunt Elaine. You know, we actually kind of eat them food there, you know.
Yeah.
Mr. Lobster, Mr. Swims.
Swims.
All different type of things.
Mr. Lobster, Mr. Swims.
Yeah.
So here's some souvenir.
Yeah, man. So
here's Chelsea blue.
Yeah, man.
So you say Canada.
Yes, man.
A city blue.
City blue.
Oh, so the wrong one.
Yeah, man.
Other one here.
Other one there, no.
Put that one there.
That one there, no, yeah.
So that one here.
I eat this, man. I eat it.
Chelsea blue this.
Yeah, man. I eat, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chelsea blue then.
It's a Toronto
Toronto Raptors.
Oh, Toronto Raptors. That's a little bit, man. All right.
Yeah. Aunt Elaine.
Oh, it smells like Canada. I'm going to reach it, you know.
Don't it?
Oh, yeah. Only for blessed enough love, auntie.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I love it, man. That's me I say.
Yeah.
Represent, you know. Blessed love, my auntie. Love, you know. Blessed.
All right, so come in 30 grand. Come see which color I want then. No, but it go by your size. So you're medium, right? So you're medium.
Yeah, man.
So it's from Aunt Elaine.
Aunt Elaine, yeah, man. We give thanks for this little present here. You see me, I say, yeah, man, and it's a good look, man. Yeah, man. Come like look at Canadian flowers and thing, you know.
Yeah, the maple leaf.
Yeah, man. So give thanks, man. Dream team, one team.
All right, Jackson, come. Jackson, where say you? Eh? Yeah, it look like the ganja leaf, but it's not the ganja, you know.
I said, me I tell you, let me tell you, you know, you find it, when you say I see him, look.
Yeah.
The tree cut short, you know, I'm going to live down there, so.
Yeah.
Oh, say I'm bad, man. You know already, man. Yeah.
Alright, so thank Aunt Elaine.
Aunt Elaine.
Aunt Elaine.
Aunt Elaine. Well, what am I auntie with that on your Aunt Elaine?
Maybe, you never know. You never know.
And yeah, we love you every time. Give thanks and praise every time. Yeah. My side, yeah. Love you every time. One team. One team.
One team.
Every time. One team. Right. More than love your extended family. Love you every time.
Yes, sir.
Movie session.
Alright. So we go. Come in, boom. Rasta Messi. Rasta Messi. Which color you see? The green? Rasta. Yeah. See there. Toronto, Canada. Aunt Elaine. Aunt Elaine.
Aunt Elaine. Blessed and one love, you know. Thank you for your guns here, you know. Blessed.
Alright, so Prefect is not here. You know. Prefect is not here. Alright, so it's one day for Prefect. One for Prefect and one for Jenna. Alright guys, so we give thanks for the... When I get there. So we give thanks so much for Aunt Elaine, you know, we thank you so much for the blessings, you know, we thank you so much for the love. You know, also we have a mobile phone as well too for Jenna right here, you know, from Pablo. But we're not getting through our phone at this minute, so that means that she probably don't have any phone. So we have to go send her call her. It looks like she don't get a phone for true. So probably send a phone, you know, for her. So we're gonna sing and call her.
Come on, step your corner.
Yeah. Try it on.
I do that.
You that. Cheers! Are you that, right?
No, Johnny come to me close and I thought it was done every time. So that's something, John. John.
Alright guys, so we have Jenna is here. You know, Jenna is here. We also have a Toronto, Canada t-shirt here. Jenna, you know, Toronto, Canada.
Canada.
Yeah, so to thank Aunt Elaine.
Thank you, Auntie Elaine. May the good Lord bless you, Auntie Elaine, and keep you safe. Thank you again.
Alright. So, and we have a natural grow oil here for you here.
Yeah.
This is from Corinne, from Brompton as well too.
Corinne from Brampton, thank you very much for this oil. Love and love only.
Yeah.
Blessing. Thank you very much again.
That key, that make your ear grow.
Yeah.
Whoa. And we have from the general himself, Pablo. You know. Pablo send a phone here for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, enough General. Real boss. Big up yourself, enough Papa. All the donors them across the world. Goes on. Love goes on. Thank you again, Pablo. Respect. Holy love. Safety.
Yeah. See there?
Thanks, Gino.
Yeah, man. But just could carry it in the box because I take up space.
Yeah.
So I take it out the box.
Yeah.
So guys, so see there.
There's a brand new phone at King.
See there. You that. From Pablo. So big up yourself, Pablo. Much love and much respect. Jella appreciate it. You know. So
Thanks again, Pablo.
Alright. So we give thanks, Pablo. Big up yourself. You know, much love and much strength every time. You know. Aunt Elaine, I'm coming for some of that food again. You know. Trust me, the food. You know, I eat so many times. Thank you for the love, you know, thank you for the support, thank you so much for everything that you do, you know. Nothing but love and love alone, you know. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Yes guys, so what we're gonna do now, we have some more remaining posters, you know, we're gonna put them up in the areas, them quick and fast, you know, so we can at least give some people some reminder, you know, what's going on. So that's what we're gonna do. You know, because we're looking out to see everyone come out to this one to get some checks and everything. So blessed love and everything. Them boy they run their car, you know. So this side the best side. Yes, I do. So guys, so we're using the flour. You know, the original Jamaican thing. We boil the flour, we make it warm and mix it with hot water and just use it as paste. Look at the cows them. The cow them cause traffic. You know how much money this? But, so where the owner there? When I see the owner? No, the owner there. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Them out, yeah. Start the fight for. No, next side. Make it face us so. Watch them claw, yeah, you know. How do they move?
Can't move. Watch them.
Come round way. I'll drive for by next time, yeah? Okay. So we are doing it again this Friday, yeah? Right, that's all nobody so. Yeah. Oh, in the community and it's busy, guys. It's really busy. So we're putting another. So we're here on 8th Street. That's the taxi man them can cross. Putting one more right at the corner. That's it.
The man gone, but we don't see that.
Yeah?
The milk in a stay up here and them give me 5 up here. Stay up here.
We check our brown man.
Yeah.
Yo, I attempt say a traffic go an hour. Okay, diversion this. A traffic. Oh, no man's gonna come from. Okay. Hi. Yeah, put them flyers up. Remember Friday at the L Fair down there, so.
You want to put them on the plate?
Give me. This Friday. What got chicken? Right, man.
Give me cheese, man. Make a something, man.
Go on a drink. 3 dragon.
3 dragon one or 6. Oh, go on.
There, man. What they do? Been a while, you know. The last one trip.
Can come back, man. No, man, the player can come back.
Can you hear me ask where Red Man there?
Chicken all the way. Never see chicken.
The member from them time from Jamaica Good Life Days, do you know? Because we do a health fair Friday. Don't you know so? No, 6th Street at the center.
That's all.
Yeah, health checkup, dental, cleaning and everything are going there, you know?
So we'll get to some people from
Yeah. So Friday we start from in the morning. So we just put our flyers there, so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see them on the light post. Esther, them one them show you how I go. Yeah, all the kids them as well to come get them teeth clean and come get them check up.
When you leave from the tent, I don't see it, but you just run off. And that's your chicken, my God.
What, from the football thing?
Yeah.
So they drive past so much time already, man. So I this I go on. How would I get the dragon them from?
Yes, sir. See the money in the brother.
Last year football, I year before.
I think a year before. Yeah. Yeah, year before.
I'm live, man.
So if you can follow out Friday, man, you chicken come, man.
Come, man. Want to check up, man?
Yeah.
I'm on the 10 girl that shot me, you know.
Alright. So that means you're not going to take none for a long while. You can get your teeth clean, if you have none to take out, you take it out, see me, you see me? And everything. And the first, we did already last year, you know. So this year I got bigger as well, too, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, for them time there. Cool, man. So you don't need this then? You're not going to need this, like we put one lesson.
Alright. No.
Yeah, you're not going to need this.
You can't put one this in a brand shop?
Yeah, sir?
You can't put one round on the side road or something?
Come show him, man. Can
you make you put one round the side?
Push part.
I'm pretty sure.
Push part, can I put it? So if you know nobody want to fall, come give them check up as well, yeah? Where? This? Yes, sir? So yes, I'll lock up. Oh, I'll put one, yes, sir. Talk to you. I'll put one, yes, sir. So, there's a lot of traffic flowing through Trenchtown now because of the road. No man's land is blocked off. So we're right here in Mexico. You know, this is 8th Street. No, right here on 8th Street, and you see all the traffic here and everything. In jungle. So guys, if you know of this place, or if you're local, or you come from Trenchtown, or you come from nowhere close, or you've been through them places, now I'm showing it again. So this Friday. You know, respect, yeah? Come on. KINO. So Esther there. So Esther there. That start from 9 o'clock till about 4. Oh, that's for the Friday. Yeah, the Saturday I'm going to go up at the Golden Age. Look up on the elders there. Yeah. But Friday, if the dental thing, everything, I so I gotta do it for Friday. I go work. What day I go work?
I work in the morning. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Oh, early. So I gotta miss it. But we could have, still could have passed through still. If the dental, they probably just get the nurse check up.
No, dental me out.
Oh, so that will be Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
Nurse check up around so.
Yeah.
And we come check up, anyone have me check up.
Yeah. But Friday will be the better one time.
What time you work? 9 o'clock.
Well, them say the dentist are there from 8 o'clock. Because you know that thing where they got processed, so they're there earlier. Yeah? So if you can tell the boss, say, yo, may I come in a little bit later because you have to do this. You see me? Because you and them not charge or anything at all. You see me? I say. So, and it's good that way there. So at least I'm have you upon the system if you go anywhere else needed. You see me? Broad man, you don't think going chicken, expecting him, yeah? Yeah. I agree now.
We got this. A share that SB, big up. You mean some shop boutique and minibar. Come inside, come inside.
Alright, come inside.
Come inside.
So what's going on? What's
It's a boutique. We have everything. Eyeglass, air drink, all kind of things. And
Wow.
this is a bar, mini bar.
Oh, yeah, very good mini bar. So what is a real ice?
Ice dripping.
Ice dripping, so they can come get the ice well dripping.
And if you want to play box and make millions.
Yeah. So wait, so millions can I make off of this box?
Yes.
Oh, you know, say millions?
Millions.
So millions in it right now?
Millions. So when you win, you buy anything you want. Drink.
Yeah.
Go along, right?
You hear that? Whoa, whoa, look now. See the ice are drip there.
Whoa, my God.
We have everything. 3 grand. Come with the hand piece, you know.
Yeah.
3,000 US, you know. 3,000 US.
We have all kind of chains.
There's a tree of everything.
Everything right here.
Yeah.
You want to buy one for me?
Right, we have
My sister, yeah, she
have diamond.
Hello. You got the farm.
We have diamond chip.
Smile, oh.
Shall I get the farm? May I give it to us? Kind of farm. So, I'm
do this.
Yeah.
Hello.
Tell you. You know what I mean?
Everywhere to go, them drop in.
So I chop a while ago.
Everywhere I'm going with it.
But so with the, but suppose him drop or see another one that drop them.
Everybody wants to drop in love today. The Wednesday here.
And in love them a drop, you know. At the account them a go drop, you know. Them a drop. Something keep you every Wednesday?
Not exactly for Wednesday.
Okay.
If Miss Esther want to go fun, she'll come. She even know about she'll come check up.
Yeah.
I want my sister because she have to check up. She have problem inside and out.
So come, so you come earlier. Earlier the better. You have dental and you have health checkup, anything after.
Any kind of check-up.
So we got food.
Just appropriate, right? No, but really like.
So we are going to impress. It's all about who you're going to impress.
What's in on It's Anna, so.
Alright guys, so we're here in Rosetown, you know. Yeah, so we're on yeah, so we're on the other side, we're on the other side of Trenchtown, which is called Rosetown. You know. So remember Trenchtown and Rosetown is Riemann Trench and Rosetown is one town, Trenchtown. You know, with different names. So we're on the other side, you know.
My hair is a shortcut job, blood. And now I'm going to full journey. When they might try to do short and Rastafari and say Ras and Rasta. I guess Ras and Rasta are the corrupted one. What if you pretend to be godly but not godly. What Rastafari are the pure one, the one without guile, without the one without corruption, Rastafari. So the right way is Rastafari, not Ras nor Rasta. Yeah, I know them call the king right because the man answer to the name. Rastafari, Rasta nor Rasta, them call man. Rastafari,
Everything, project, nice project, cake, everything.
Oh, I almost asked for a slice. I almost asked for a slice.
100% this, you know.
Yeah, it's real. 100% cake, guys. It's hard. I'm gonna mash it up. Oh yeah, I tap myself. Wait, what's your name? Naomi. So I'll be seeing over there Friday, right?
Yeah,
Wait, if you bring her, she can walk herself. She can walk with you. Yeah. Of course. You have to stay. I said let's come from early, but come before 9 o'clock. So at least when you come before, you're first on the list. You You know? So come before. So don't come 9 o'clock, come before if you can. Happy birthday to you. Is it your birthday? It's not our birthday. So the corner in the live corner, can look live already. I'm saying everybody's out and everything. Yeah. So that's why the vibes corner.
Vibes, I don't do so. Enough people don't do so. 1 month I don't do so.
Okay, okay.
So 2 vibes of place.
Yes. So the only vibes the place is right here in a road road.
I don't do so.
So what the road on here?
Dove Street.
Oh, Dove Street.
DUFF.
Oh. Oh, this is And it's been so long I don't remember the names then. Dove Street. I live here now. I live here now. But you obviously know when I was younger, you used to hear the names them and everything. You know, cause I used to go to Trenchard School.
So yes, you live.
Oh, Esther Street gone. Oh. Alright then you.
Yes, they can't go down there, so what's
Alright, so
people don't do so.
alright, we'll put one more there because the one we have left. So Friday. Alright guys, so we're putting up the last one. So we're here in Rowstown, same way, in the night. So over here is a different vibe, you know, so Capital 13. So we are at the Capital 13 bar as well too. Chill spot. Capital 13. Chill spot. Put it there so. Just to leave them 2 farmers just in case. 1 child and 1 adult if anybody wants. Yeah? That's how man say? Respect, yeah? General, manners, yeah? Ella, come over there, come get your check-up, you know? Yeah? You need to. Empress, respect. Right. Yeah. In the town of Trenchtown. Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man, you see me, I said, Rowstown, you know, part of Trenchtown too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so. And I like where I show the people, man, I love you. See me, I said, blessed love, you know?
So we have to load up the car. We have Jella on the back seat and 30 grand on the back seat.
Yeah, one team.
One team.
We can make it work.
Yeah.
We can make it
We're making
work.
That is it, man. Have to work.
Have to work.
Yeah, we're making it work. So you know the car was going in the back. Running yourself full up. We have Boom and Rasta Jackson and the whole, you know, so.
Yeah, man, I will it up.
Loaded
yeah,
with
man.
Esther. Jeez. My car came with the nice thing, you know, wait.
Yeah, go straight down this and go straight past 3rd Street, you know?
Oh, that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, soon, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.